What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, you can see here today, CPI data came out and we did not get that 150-point move that everybody and their goddamn mother was screaming about. Matter of fact, it came in right at expectation. And we had a whole ass nothing ball sandwich. Once again, JP Morgan wrong. 85% chance they said of a 2 to 3% up day. 85. And they whiffed on that one. Boy, oh boy. Look at right here. Up 0.36%. A whole nothing ball. Look right here. Hanging man, or whatever you want to call it. I call it close right at a huge resistance. 200 MA. We made a note about it last night. 357 could not get through it, and we are approaching this major down trend line from where? All the way from the highs, right? So another visit there. Was this also a back test, right, of this trend line? If you take a peek going back to COVID lows, right, we have a COVID low trend line. Now this chart looks ugly, so just stick with me. Okay, is this just a back test here? Possibly. Okay, possibly. We also have the 50 MA on the weekly above as well. So not only is it 200 MA 397, then only about 4 points above, 6 points above it, 403 is a major downtrend, or a major resistance MA, as you can see here, just dating back, right? After we fell underneath the purple dotted line is the 50 MA on the daily. We could not get back above it, right? So that's definitely going to be a level. So what's on par for tomorrow? Well, every single bank except for Goldman Sachs is reporting tomorrow. XLF is the financial weighted sector of the S&P 500. That entire sector is the third highest weighted of the entire S&P 500 conglomerate. Okay, so if that's the case, what does that mean? Well, you better be paying attention. All those earnings are pre-market tomorrow, right? So pay attention, right? Pay attention. If those boom, SPY likely booms. If they go down, SPY likely goes down. So pay attention. Wake up early and know that, all right? And know that. So what's on par for tomorrow? Okay, on par for tomorrow. If we go boomity boom, 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 I'd be looking for 400, 403 reject, 100%. Okay, 400 or 403 reject. Why? 403 50 MA on the daily, right? 400 big psych level, right? That we could see here is going to be respected. One thing some people have done in the group that you could see here is what would be a possible retrace, right? Well, we close right at the 61.8, okay, and then 402, right? Is that number right there? 402.63 is the golden zone retrace from the recent swing high. This was the CPI print, last CPI print, I believe, to the low. Okay, we just got to the 61.8. Do we reject it? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, but I'd be targeting 403. 400 decent short, 403 way better short, in my opinion. I'd be looking at 403 as a short. That'd be about 40, 50 ES, where I would definitely take a stab short. That video will be posted after this one, any of my futures traders out there. Okay, now, if we just decide to fall out of the sky, right, to fall out of the sky in the morning off the earnings report for the banks, I'd be targeting this 390 level. Why? Well, it's huge. And two, there's a nice gap here. Okay, there's a nice gap here. I would look and like to take a bounce play scalp call here for tomorrow if we get down there. Okay, now if we break this level, you're going to want to see, and also we have the 50 MA daily off, obviously here, triple dotted 390. I would want to see a bounce there. Okay, if we break through, then I would be targeting 385.86, right down in this area again. Okay, I would be targeting down here. And if that breaks, then you're going to flush all the way down to 380, 378. Okay, where I would also take a long. It just depends. I don't think we get all the way down there tomorrow, but we could. Okay, we could. So let's see. Let's see what happens. All right. So plan for tomorrow, just what the banks are doing. Probably a 403 or 405 reject. Okay, is what I'd be looking to play. 390 bounce for sure for calls because of the gap fill. You can look for it to possibly bounce before at 391.50 area where the gap starts, right? Where the gap starts, where buyers are likely defending. So you want to look there, 390, 391 area for a bounce. Okay, if we break down below 386, 380. Okay, 378, 374, 370 below. Okay, over 405, we probably take a trip back to 410. Okay, very possible. Triple top, I would fade 410. All right, guys, wake up early. Put XLF on your screen. Put any other favorite banks on your screen. Okay. And don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early.